So I'm currently, sorry, Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am in Durham, Connecticut, and I am exploring section 11 of the Mattabessett. So if you haven't already, if you take a minute to subscribe to my channel, I'm going to be doing a lot more of these types of videos, just local hiking in New England, just to explore some of these trails we have here, especially in Connecticut, that I've lived here my entire life and just have not explored. So take a minute and just subscribe and follow along with me. So today I registered online for a Hike 100 challenge. You are hiking 100 miles on the New England Scenic Trail. So today I'm hoping to get at least 6 miles under my belt. About 0.7 miles in, and the trail's finally taking a turn away from the civilization. For the first half mile, you're walking along a quarry. It's a Tilcon quarry, so you just hear a lot of sounds, manufacturing sounds. But the trail's starting to get a little more quiet, kind of what I like. So heading up that way, and we'll see where we go. Of this on this section, a lot of downed trees, so I'm not sure how long, if that happened recently. Looks like I'm on top of the ridge now. Got a lot of elevation out of the way, and this is what I'm looking at. About a mile and a half in. This trail doesn't offer too much in terms of vistas or views, but what it does offer is this is a perfect training hike if you're training for something with a lot of elevation or a longer trek, because this ridge goes up and down and up and down, and there's a lot of rocks, so it's technical. So I think you get a lot of different terrain here. So it would be a perfect training hike. But I made it to this nice little view, so I'm gonna have some pizza. Ever-present humans. Welcome to New England Trail, guys. So, the Powder Ridge ski area is in this vicinity, and I'm not exactly sure where I am in relation to that, but it looks like I'm close because this is a Black Diamond ski trail pointing that way. But there's a lot of stuff down. I don't know. Let's go figure this out. Okay, so here's another sign for a blue ski trail. It's roped off, so I'm close. We'll just keep going. I see a platform over there. No clue what that is, but maybe a terrain park We'll see. Let's check it out. Yeah, so looks like this is a ski trail as well. Although I wouldn't ski on this one. It's a little above my skill set. I need like wide open spaces. All right, let's keep going. Ta-da! So here we are. This is part of the Powder Ridge ski area. It's kind of eerie looking at all this stuff without any snow. Or skiers, for that matter. Wow. You guys, this is really eerie. So I'm a skier. I got no skiing done this year. So I know what these trails look like with snow on it. And it's just, it looks so sad. Anyway, that's where I came from. So I'm glad I made it here because I've always wanted to see what this place looks like, or any ski place without skiers and the snow. And there's still some nasty, white, slushy, man-made stuff. But this is really eerie, and I like it. So I'll go a little farther. There's like a trail map for the ski trails I want to check out. But yeah, it's wild here. Okay, so I am almost back at the car. I have a little bit of extra time, so what I'm going to do is cross the street, maybe about 1/10 of a mile down the road. The trail picks up in the opposite direction, and I'm going to just explore that a little bit because I know there's a campsite there not too far. So I'm going to see if I can make it, have a bite to eat, and head home. Yikes. I think we need some trail maintenance here. Hi. So I'm currently, sorry, I'm chewing. Mattabessett Trail in Durham, Connecticut. I can't say this is like one of my favorite campsites or shelters that I've seen. I could still hear the traffic. It's very close to, it's basically 2 small lean-tos. There's no privy. It's private property, so there's no fires. You have to bring a camp stove. So yeah, I wouldn't come here to camp. But if your goal is to through hike the New England Scenic Trail, this is pretty much your only option for like 20 miles. So also, if there's a section or a trail in Connecticut or in New England at all that you have an interest in, let me know that, because I'm going to be planning some of these hikes out for the next like 6 to 8 months, and I would love to just explore places that you guys would be interested in seeing.